being around for 70 years, we are one of the only one-stop shops in our industry. We've been involved in all aspects of the welding industry in regards to shipbuilding and supplying rental equipment, gases, and consumables. It's been our main game, and our team is put together, designed around building boats and keeping our customers happy. I've been working with C-SPAN for the last 40 plus years, but the last 10 with the National Shipbuilding Program has been quite a change for Barry-Hamel. We supply all the welding machines in there, which has eliminated their time for maintenance. If the machine goes down, we're putting in a replacement machine right away while our repair shop takes care of the damaged machine. Our guys are well trained in all makes and models of the equipment, and our team services everybody. So when it comes to knowledge, our team is very well trained. We take care of all that aspect. The only thing they got to do is go and weld and put the ship together. The National Shipbuilding Strategy has helped us grow in all aspects of our industry. It's helped us learn what the end customer always needs, and we've now taken that upon ourselves to expand our technology, our growth, our VMI management systems in all aspects of our industry. The state-of-the-art of welding equipment has grown over the past 20 years very fast. The wires have gotten a lot better. The machines have allowed the wires to weld better. The technology has just improved so much to today's era. Advanced welding is now a lot easier to do than it was 20 years ago. Our success with C-SPAN, when they come back to us and say, you guys are doing a great job, we feel we've been doing a great job. Our warehouse alone stocks all their products. We've actually been able to keep our supply chain constantly moving and planning out ahead for the future for them at all times. It doesn't matter what product it is, what product they want to bring in, we manage it so that they will never run out during the process of the shipbuilding. Everybody feels very proud to be part of the C-SPAN group, and our team is well invested in what we do and takes pride in what we do.